First up is the Vitamix 5-speed immersion blender, which stands as the gold standard for serious home cooks and professionals. Vitamix is well known for its high-performance blenders, and this immersion blender lives up to the brand's reputation. It delivers exceptional blending performance with its powerful motor, making it ideal for thick mixtures and tough ingredients. The 5-speed settings allow for precise control, letting you create everything from smooth soups to chunky salsas. Its unique bell guard design reduces suction and prevents scratches on pots and pans. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during use, even for extended blending sessions. The stainless steel blending arm is durable, easy to clean, and long enough to reach into deep pots and pitchers. Next, All-Clad is synonymous with high-quality cookware, and its immersion blender reflects a commitment to performance and durability. With a sleek stainless steel design and impressive power, this blender is a favorite among home chefs. The motor packs enough power to blend even the toughest ingredients with ease. The variable speed control allows for seamless speed adjustments, giving you total control over the texture of your blends. A detachable blending shaft makes cleaning and storage simple. The turbo function provides an extra boost of power when needed, ensuring that even the most stubborn ingredients are blended smoothly. The sleek stainless steel body adds a touch of elegance to any modern kitchen. Next is Breville, which has a reputation for designing user-friendly appliances with a focus on innovation. The Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender is no exception. It offers an ergonomic design and superior performance. With 15 speed settings, you have precise control for different blending needs. The unique pistol-like grip reduces hand strain and enhances control, making blending effortless. Anti-suction technology prevents ingredients from getting stuck at the bottom of the pot, ensuring consistent results. The stainless steel blending shaft is durable and designed for easy cleaning. This model includes accessories like a chopping bowl, whisk, and blending jug, expanding its versatility beyond basic blending. Next, KitchenAid is known for its reliable and stylish kitchen appliances, and this immersion blender is no exception. Designed for versatility and ease of use, it is an excellent addition to any kitchen. The variable speed trigger switch allows for smooth speed adjustments with a single hand, giving you total control over blending consistency. The removable blending arm features a 4-point stainless steel blade for efficient blending. The soft grip handle enhances comfort during use, making it easier to blend for extended periods. With whisk and chopper attachments, this blender expands its functionality beyond blending, making it great for baking and food prep. Cleanup is a breeze with its detachable components. And finally, Braun's MultiQuick 7 is a versatile and powerful immersion blender, packed with smart features to simplify blending tasks. It offers a combination of power and precision, making it a valuable kitchen tool. The motor is strong enough to blend a variety of ingredients efficiently. Smart Speed technology adjusts speed automatically based on the pressure applied to the control button, providing effortless blending. PowerBell Plus technology features an extra milling blade to enhance performance, making blending smoother and faster. The Easy Click system allows for quick attachment changes, adding versatility to your blending tasks. Splash control prevents messy spills, keeping your kitchen clean while you work. And there you have it. Each of these high-end immersion blenders offers a unique combination of power, precision, and convenience. No matter which model you choose, investing in a high-quality immersion blender will elevate your cooking experience and open up new possibilities in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.